Hi, Scott from Hobby King with an addition to the 50mm EDF series that we do, and 2 European jets this time round. Same format as before, EPO foam, plug and fly, 800 milliamp 3-cell pack. But the big difference with these two is that they're both deltas. We have the Jet Mirage here and the JAS 39. Both deltas, of course, so we will need to use a radio with Elevon mixing. I think they look absolutely fantastic, to be quite honest with you. I am really looking forward to see these fly. So please keep an eye out for them soon on Hobby King, and of course please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take care.